Welcome back, dear students. In previous video we discussed some points regarding e-commerce and classification of e-commerce activities. Today, in continuity of the previous topic, we will discuss about online transactions and mode of payments, because in every exchange of goods and services during e-commerce activities, online transactions and mode of payment plays very important role. Now let's understand what online transactions is. In the process of online transactions, first step is pre-buying / selling stage. In this stage, advertisement and information receiving are included that can stimulate buying and selling activities. Second step is conditions of buying / selling. This includes price fixation and other related conditions between the buyers and the sellers of the goods and services. Third step is delivery of goods / payments. Information flow is associated with the above stages. While this stage includes exchange of products and money, the process becomes quick and less expensive if transaction is done online through internet. This entire process is explained by the customer's point of view. Let's understand this process by customer's point of view. In this, first step is registration. Registration by filling in the registration form is a must for a customer who wants to purchase online. Registration means to open an online account at seller's site. Registration means to sign for online transaction. For this, a customer needs to provide personal details like name, address, phone number, etc. A password is provided for online transaction. The account is protected by the password so that other person cannot log in this account. Second is place an order. We can select and put that product of our choice in shopping cart while shopping online. Shopping cart is a list of products selected by the buyer while shopping online. After preparing a list in shopping cart, an option of payment can be selected thereafter. Third, payment system. Payment can be made in different modes like COD or cash on delivery, check, net banking, transfer, credit card, debit card, digital cash, etc. Now let's understand very important step in e-commerce activities, that is mode of payment. In that, first is COD or cash on delivery. In this way, the customer has to make payment of money on receiving goods at his address mentioned for delivery. Second is check. Online seller can collect check from the customer. A person who buys goods issues a check to the seller. The seller dispatches goods only after the check is credited to his account. Third is net banking transfer. Bank also provide the facilities of making payment or transferring money through internet to the customer in recent times, and this is one of the most popular method in e-commerce mode of payment. In this process, the customer transfers a necessary amount from his bank account to the account of the seller. Goods are dispatched only after the amount is transferred. Next is credit card / debit card. These type of cards are known as plastic money or plastic currency. These cards are used in large extent in online shopping. Credit card bank provides facility of shopping to the card holder on his credit. An amount to be paid by customer to the online seller is paid by respective bank. Then the card holder pays this amount to the bank within prescribed time or within a limited time. The card holder gets freedom of payment by installments or at his convenience within prescribed time. Debit card holder is provided facility of online shopping up to the existing credit balance of his account. As soon as online transaction is done through debit card, the same amount is debited from the bank account of the card holder. Next method is digital cash. This is one of the currency which exists only in cyberspace or in internet world. There is no physical existence or form of this type of currency, but bank provides a facility to the customer to use this real currency in electronic form. The customer has to pay the same amount of real money as digital cash to the banks. Then banks maintaining forms of each e-cash sent at a special software to the customer. Digital cash can be received through the account of the customer. This digital fund can be used for online shopping. Dear students, in next video we discuss some points regarding safety and security of transactions. Also, we discuss topics like BPO and KPO. Thank you.